What's going on, y'all? It's Bre'Aunna and I'm back again with another natural hair YouTube video. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hop right into the video. No games, not gonna do too much talking, and we just gonna hop right into the tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I flat twist sideways. Yes, so this technique is, I won't say hard. If you don't know how to flat twist, obviously it's hard. If you don't know how to do it like downwards, upwards, whatever, it's a little hard. Sideways is definitely not harder because I know how to flat twist, but it's a little hand workout, y'all. It's a little hand workout. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the products that I used. First ingredient is gonna be this rose water hair milk fragrance spray from She's So Glossy for moisture. Second product is gonna be Africa's Best conditioner in oil scalp moisturizer to lock in the conditioner. And last but not least, so I get my edges slayed and laid and crisp, I'm gonna be using this Murray's Edgewax Edge Control for a finishing look. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my first two flat twists look like. So this is the first one right here. First one, and then this is my middle one right here. And I currently had this already flat twisted, but I just took it out so I can show y'all my technique that I do, hence my curl pattern that y'all can probably see. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use my rose water hair milk by She's So Glossy. I'm gonna shake it up before I use it just so all of my ingredients are really just mixing together up in there. And I'm going to go ahead and spray the section. It's already detangled and everything, so I'm not gonna be doing the most. I might finger detangle a little bit, but at this point I just kind of want to get some moisture in it and make sure I get my ends. I love the smell of this product so much. All of the products that I'm using in this video today, I will have linked below for y'all, okay? Go ahead and smooth that in. Finger detangle a little bit. As y'all can see, it's a pretty smooth stretch. It was thoroughly detangled previous to me putting in this hairstyle when I washed my hair, so it's really not that tangled up, as y'all can see, that much. I'm gonna go ahead and just get about 2 fingers to the touch of some of my conditioner and kind of put it onto the hair and work it in that way. It doesn't have to be like a lot of the scalp conditioner. It really doesn't. It doesn't need to be like a huge chunk or anything like that. I do want to say that for this hairstyle, parting was definitely the most difficult thing to do for me, just because I'm like really bad at parting, but I feel like I did a pretty good job of getting my part straight, so I'm actually like really proud of myself for that. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and put some edge control around the perimeter of where most of the hair is going to be showing. And now I'm just kind of smoothing and working in the Murray's Edge Control, just so it kind of gives me that like flat look, and it's definitely gonna look clean, okay? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into the flat twisting. So I have me a wrap tail comb right here, and I'm going to use this end to grab my first piece. You can make it as big or as small as you want. I feel like the smaller you go, the neater it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start out with these very 2 small pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect because you are gonna flat twist it. So you have your 1 piece here, and you're gonna split that 1 piece into 2 pieces, so 1 and 2, and you're going to twist it diagonally. So now this piece is like this and this piece is down here. You're going to grab a small piece and pinch it with your thumb and your first finger. I don't know if that's your index finger or not, but you're going to pinch it and grab a small piece of hair, and you're gonna grab your middle finger, which is pulling this piece at the bottom, and you're going to grab it and go like that and kind of smooth this hair back a little bit. You're going to now grab these two, index finger, I believe that's what it's called, and your thumb, and you're going to twist it like this, and now this hand is free. And as you can see, my pinky is holding the small piece, and the bigger piece that I use to grab hair with is my thumb and my index finger, and I'm going to do that. So now this hand is free, and this hand, pretty much this whole hand, is holding off on this bigger piece. And I'm going to do the same thing, grab my middle finger and my index finger and grab another small piece and pull it, and grab my middle finger, pull it this way, smooth the hair out that way, grab this big piece that I used to grab hair with, and use my pinky and my index finger and my middle finger right here to hold the bigger piece that I just used hair to grab with, and grab this other piece of hair, and now this hand is free as well. I really hope that's making sense, and I'm going to do it a couple of times more, but in slow motion, just so y'all can kind of see my process that I have here. I really hope this is making sense. I'm not at all good at showing hair directions. Like, I can tutor somebody, I can do math, but I'm not very good at directing people and showing people how to like braid or twist or anything. But if this is helpful at all, definitely give me a thumbs up. Let your girl know down in the comments section. Was this video helpful? Was it not helpful? Are you just kind of like, you're going too fast, girl, you're going too fast? Do you want to see how I did this whole hairstyle? Go ahead and leave a comment down below and let your girl know. I will say that during this process, doing these 3 flat side twists, my hand cramped at least 3 times, because the only thing about flat twisting sideways, for me at least, just because my arms aren't very long and I have to go like this around my head, it's doing the most. When I come to a certain point in my journey of flat twisting sideways, I actually bring my fingers in a different direction, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about right now. So now I have these pieces. I'm going to bring this arm around this way, and I'm going to keep on flat twisting how I've been flat twisting, but my hand is just going backwards now, and this actually makes it easier for me to navigate my twists. And as y'all can see, you can kind of see how the edge control did it justice in making sure that my hair is nice and crisp, and really just gives that clean and like sharp type of look, y'all. So definitely let me know, was this video helpful? Was it not helpful? Do you want to see a tutorial on how to flat twist backwards instead of one how to do it sideways? Just go ahead and comment down below. Let me know any questions, comments, concerns that you may have about flat twisting sideways, down, back, forth, anything about flat twisting in general. I will definitely try my best to answer y'all's questions. All you got to do is let your girl know. I would love to help out y'all as much as I can. Again, just continuing the same pattern. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this one, and I'll show y'all what the back is looking like. Alright, y'all, so I'm all done. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a side view of what it looks like. Okay, and here is the back view of what it looks like. Now, again, I really hope this video was helpful to y'all. If it wasn't helpful at all, let me know. If you would like me to make more hair tutorials on like how to braid or how to twist, how to flat braid, how to do like a crown type hairstyle, any requests that you have on the topic of natural hair YouTube videos, anything, maybe you want a tips video, let your girl know down below and I will definitely get to doing it for y'all. I want to make videos that you guys want to see. I don't just want to make natural hair videos to make them, okay? Because then it's like, what am I really making them for? My goal is to help y'all on your natural hair journey. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really do hope it was helpful to at least one person who is going to be watching this YouTube video. Definitely let me know what y'all thought. Again, thank you so much for watching. We are almost at 175, y'all. 175 subscribers, okay? Still on the road to 200. So I'm super excited about that, obviously, but I just really want to continue to thank y'all for all of the love, all of the support, all of the new subscribers week in and week out that you guys have brought me within like these past 3 weeks since I've been consistent. Consistency is real, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's real. Like, it's a real thing. Also, if you haven't already and you want to stay updated on the ins and outs of my natural hair routines, whether it's wash day, whether it's how I do a certain style, whether it's wanting to know how often I wash my hair, what I wash it with, bada boom, bada bing, make sure you go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page at natural.breezy18, where I have highlights for YouTube and my natural hair as well. If you want to see me do hairstyles in a minute or less, make sure you go and follow my Instagram hair page at Curls by Bree. Okay, that is Curls by Bree. Again, I want to thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next. Bye, y'all.